This is how you can create realistic AI video like this, unlimited for free using Qwen, an AI created by Alibaba. How you can do it? First go to Qwen, then register and log into Qwen Chatbot. You can only use Qwen by official website only because the app's version for Qwen AI currently still not available. Qwen AI offers comprehensive functionality spanning chatbot, image and video understanding, image generation, document processing, web search integration, short AI video generation, and code generation for website or apps. Let's try to generate AI image using Qwen Chatbot, and let's see how fast this AI can generate image. Just less than 10 seconds, you can get a perfect AI image from Qwen Chatbot. Even you got typo in the prompt. Not bad for free AI chatbot. And you can generate unlimited image as much as you want. Let's try another image generation using this chatbot and see the accuracy that Qwen can provide to user. In just around 10 seconds, this AI can generate perfect and accurate image from our prompt. To download the image, just click the download button below the AI image and save to your phone. Let's see what other image that Qwen AI capable to generates for us. This image near to realistic to me. This is amazing for AI chatbot that can generate AI image, and it's free. Okay, enough with AI image. Let's move to AI video generation. Let's see how far this free AI can give to us. Click on New Chat for Create AI Video. Choose video generation and choose video size you want to create using Qwen Chatbot. Let's see how long it takes to create AI video using this Qwen AI. With Qwen AI, making videos is as simple as typing what you imagine. A serene beach, a bustling city, or even a fantasy world. Qwen brings your ideas to life, no fancy tools required. Whether you're creating content for social media, school projects, or just for fun, Qwen AI makes it easy and completely free. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, just pure creativity at your fingertips. Plus, it's fast. In just a few clicks, you'll have a professional-looking video ready to share with the world. With AI like Qwen, creating videos is as easy as typing what you want. A beach sunset, a spaceship battle, done. No cameras, no actors, no stress, just your imagination brought to life. It's fast, it's affordable, and honestly, it's kind of magic. No fancy skills needed, no expensive equipment, just you and your ideas. Plus, you can tweak it in seconds, change the style, the mood, or the whole scene with a few clicks. It's like having a video studio in your pocket. So, why stick to the old way when AI can make your life easier and your videos cooler? Try Qwen AI today and see the future of video creation. For Qwen to generate perfect, accurate, and realistic AI video, the process will take more time than creating the AI image, because the process for creating video is more complicated. Qwen learning AI need to learn and create accurately, based on prompt be given to them. For the new AI like Qwen, it's take more time for them to learn and follow the instructions. This learning can make the AI becomes more faster in the future. But Qwen is far more superior in AI world. For AI image be created in just under 10 seconds, it's outstanding for a new AI. It showed how fast Qwen AI can learn in short times. What makes Qwen is more amazing is, it can create this 6-second AI video with a perfect realistic image around 10 minutes is far more outstanding than other AI right now. And remember, this AI video generator is free and unlimited. It's time for you to start be creative and explore the world of AI right now. Do not waste this free AI tools. Your world now is unlimited. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video, subscribes my channel and leaves your comments below.